Welcome to Success Academy YouTube channel. Today we will try to learn HCF and LCM and how many ways we can do it. LCM, the full form of this is lowest common multiple. How many ways we can do this thing? First we can do prime factorization method. Second, we can do short division method. Pardon me, only two ways are there. And next is HCF. HCF, full form is highest common factor. How many ways I can do it? First two are the same, prime factorization method and short division method, and the third one is long division method. So first we will try to learn LCM. So first method is prime factorization method. LCM. Suppose then math is there 48, 36 and first is 24. So first is prime factorization method. The technique is this. Now I am starting the math. We have to first separately write down this thing, three numbers. Then first the smallest prime number by 2 will try to start. If it not goes, then 3, the next 5 the prime numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. We stop here because 3 is the prime number. Same thing will be done here. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. We stop here again. 2 1s are 2, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are, 2 will not go. That's why 3 3s are 9. So these are the factors of these three numbers. We'll write down like this now. 36. So 2 2 2 and 3. There will be 2 2 2, then 2, then 3, then again 2 2 3 3. So first 3 will take common. Now these 3 will common. Now these 3 are common. So in the 3 has to be go common. But if the 2 goes common, 2 line, then we'll take that also. If nothing is go common, like 2 and 3 are remain here, we'll take that also. Therefore LCM becomes for this column 2, second column 2, this column 2, this column 3, this remain we will take also. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 24, 24 2 is a 48, 3 is a 144. So 144 is the answer for this method. It is the prime factorization method. Next will be short division method. Short division method or short method it is called. To do that we'll do like this. 3 has to be go or at least 2 or at least 2. This is the formula. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 24s are 2 18s are. Next 2 6s are 12, 2 12s are, then 2 9s are, then 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, then 3 3s are 9. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3. This 2 becomes prime number, so we'll stop here. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 2. This one will not take, or you can take also, no problem. Can say 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 2 to the 24, 1s are 24, 2s are 48, 3s are 144. The same number again. The third method is, again my mistake, LCM has only 2 ways. Now we'll go to HCF. HCF has 3 ways. First is prime factorization method. We'll do like that again. I'm doing by not telling, because I have told already. Hope you understand. We'll write like that again. Now 2, 2, 3, 3. Again, all has to be go common. In HCF, all has to be go common. If one is not go common, we'll stop there. This 2 will not take, because all has to be common. Thus 3 will take. So therefore, HCF becomes 2, 2 and 3. It becomes 12. So 12 is the answer. We'll check in other ways the 12 is coming or not. Second is short division method. 24, 48, 36. Again, all has to be gone. 2 12s are, 2 24s are, 2 18s are. Next 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are, then 2 9s are. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now we'll stop here, because nothing in this world other number which can divide these 3 simultaneously. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 3. It is 12. Okay. The final method, that is long division method. In that method, we can do only HCF. Long division method, we can do only HCF. Only HCF is done. So 24, 48 and 36 will first use the two smallest number. 36, 24. 24 ones are 24. 6 minus 4, 2, 1. Then we'll go like this. This divider go here. 12 twos are 24. Becomes 0. So this 12 will start again, because another number is remaining. That is 48. 12 fours are 48. Becomes 0. We'll take this as a number. Never use the quotient as a number in HCF. Therefore, HCF become 12. Hope you understand these three methods. The three methods: long division method, short division method, and prime factorization method for HCF, and only short division method and prime factorization method for LCM. So hope you understand. These are the basics of HCF LCM. Up to class 10, even further 11, 12, this thing will be needed in the rough work of the bigger word problems, mathematical problems. Most of the students forget this type of things. So it is for actually all students, not a particular students, but in class 5 and 6 you will learn this. Hope you understand my language. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and also the most important, subscribe this channel to grow this channel so that I can make this type of video more and more in future. Thank you.